Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. These are the world's first rechargeable batteries that is made with the 4% recycled batteries. And this is by Energizer Recharge. It has a USB charging port, charges battery and USB devices simultaneously. You can charge 1, 2, 3, or 4 of the nickel metal hydride AA or AAA batteries. And this one, they already pre-charged 6 of the AA at 2000 milliamp, or 4 of the AAA battery at 800 milliamp. And it also comes with this carrying case. So there's your charger right there, and these are the nickel metal hydride batteries. And here are some of the charging time. If it's at 1300 milliamp, take about 6 hours, and 2000 milliamp, which is this, take about 8 hours. Or if you have a 2300 milliamp, take about 10 hours to charge it. And for the AAA battery, which is smaller, 500 milliamp, take up to 5 hours. 700 milliamp, 6 hours. 800 milliamp, 7 hours. So I guess this Energizer charger, they are the slow charger, because I have some of the inner loop Panasonic charger that charge 2000 milliamp for 3 hours. So that will cut 5 hours of charging time. Wow. So this one safely charges battery with the varying level of remaining charge, and enhance communication, battery protection, helps prevent damage to batteries from overcharge. So here's an individual LED lights indicated charges status for each battery. And this one's up to 5 years of battery life. Total usable life under typical usage pattern. Holds charge up to 1 year when not in use. Lasting power, you can use this for your camera, flashlight, gaming control, your wireless mouse, or your remote for your TVs, or amplifier box. So it says right here, charger made in China and batteries made in Japan for Energizer brand. And here's the barcode right there, or the EPC code with the item number. This is from Costco. Original retail price on this is $24.99. I got this for $19.99. So yeah, at first I was going to buy the lithium ion battery, but they cost about $20 just for 4 batteries only. So I figured buy this and I could keep on charging it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, what am I doing? It's a pre-cut opening right here already. I could try to get it out. go and check it out. So there's this flip up prongs right here. So it's easy for traveling. And then there are the LED indicator right there for individual battery. And then there's your 5-volt DC 1 amp. Yeah, with my Panasonic or the Eneloop charger, you can either charge it or use it with USB. You cannot use it simultaneously. So then here's your instruction or user guide. Here's an individual cell. Yeah, the problem with this is only 1.2 volt versus lithium ion is 1.5 volt. That's why lithium ion they cost more money. And you can also take this one out. Well, I guess they stick it down. You can see the glue residue in there. So they won't allow you to take this out. Wow. So with my Eneloop, they have a cardboard that's they put it over there so the battery doesn't drain. And then for those new users, this one is the AAA battery. You need to put it on this prong right here in order to charge it. So it's set like an awkward position. Or you can press all the way down. With the Eneloop, it's set in an angle like that. But this one allows you to push all the way down, which is good. And then there's like an individual line right there for you to adjust. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.